I walk with the Savior each step of the way. I trust Him to guide me by night and by day. Not living tomorrow, what morning may bring. I'm safe in the keeping of Jesus, my King. Each step of the way, by night and by day, leads nearer to home, eternally fair, where we shall be loved ones, awaiting us there. The walker with Jesus, each step of the way. With joy we shall enter the city of